Start off with the jig. Got this little jig right here. See if we can catch him. Ooh, there's some bass right there. Oh, I had a bite. I had a bite. There's some bass right there. Let's see if we could get one. Oh, ooh, he had it. He had it. He had it. He's right there. Come on, babe. I'm about to throw a worm in there. Put a split shot. And my little hook. And for bait, we got night crawlers. Hopefully these aren't dead like the last ones. Nope, these ain't dead. If you watched my last video, they screwed me. There we go. I feel like I'll catch something right now. Oh shit. Most likely. Let's get it. They can't resist the worm. Going. Oh, I had one. Going. Woo! Little bass. There we go. Little. Oh, he fell. No. No, come here. First one. Look how little he is. That's a tiny bass. Tiny bass. Look at that. Put him back. There you go. That should definitely give me something right now. I put a worm on. I think worms are the way to go today. Got one. Woo! Second one. These are hella little. Look how little these bass are. Yeah. Second one. Looks like the same one. I don't know though. Pretty nice. Yeah. What you got there, man? Oh my. What you got there, man? Oh my. Yeah, cruelty. There you go. Is that the biggest?
Light, you see it?
Yeah. Why is it so fat? Let me see.
Probably like pregnant.
Look, it's all fat.
Little belly on it. It's a nice one so far, huh?
That's the biggest. There you go. For the release. For the release. For the release. Oh, we got. Oh! One's coming. Oh! Got one.
Oh!
Woo! This one's hella little. That's three. Oh! There we go. This is my biggest of the day. Oh. Come on, I need a bigger one. Well, we gonna let him go.
There's like.
There we go. Ooh, they're still little.
Bigger though.
Bigger though. There we go. That's four, dude. Banging them out. Banging them out. I need a bigger one, man.
Dude, there's big
For the
ones
release.
here, I'm telling you, I keep doing it.
Oh, he got one. Ooh, you got a big one.
I told you.
There you go. For the release. For the release. Yeah. Oh, I just had a bite. Here we go.
Big? Oh my.
Why are they so small? Come
Oh, that's
on.
bigger. It's alright.
What do you do? Oh.
Oh.
Oh, that's a little. What the? That's a
They hit hella
bluegill.
hard.
What is that? That's not a.
What the? The fuck is that?
It's pretty nice though.
What the fuck?
That's nice. I don't know what that
I feel
is.
disappointed.
Go on.
Big one?
It's a bass.
Why do you keep getting this?
Oh no! Oh, there we go. That's a better one. There we go. That's a better one. For me. getting bigger. There we go. Ooh, yeah. Also bluegill. Or the sunfish. Yeah, he hit hard. This boy hit hard. There we go. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Give me a big one though. This guy's a fighter. Man, he hit so hard. Then we'll move down some more. There we go. Woohoo! Ooh, he's a bigger one. Ooh, yup. Oh, what? I felt. What the fuck? I felt hooked him. I'm sorry, buddy. I'm so sorry. Oh, no, I didn't. It was just tangled. Pretty nice, huh? Nice one. There you go, buddy. Nice little bluegill. There we go. Nice little bluey. Yep. Ooh, he's running. He's running. He's running. He's running. Nope, don't go in there. Don't go in there. No. Come on. There we go. Ooh, that's a fat bluegill. Dude. For the release. Oh, that's like one. What is that? What is that? The fuck? Green sunfish. That's nice. That's really nice. The release. There we go. Ooh, that's a big green sunfish. That's a big one. Ooh. That's so nice. That's so pretty. Look at it. For the release.